Hi guys. I don't know how to reverse the camera. There we go. Hi guys, we're here. Well, that was close up. We're here with Status Error evening in East Kilbride, and it was really good. So just now it's most of the folk are leaving, so we're going to wait and see if we can get somebody like a Mustang to plough into the crowd or something. That'd be really good. It's quite good. Was that a Volvo? It's a noisy Volvo, that. Can't put a caravan with that, can you? It's actually Gina Ginelli of Status Error. This is all because of you. This happened, mate. You put this together. You said, hey guys, I'm having an ice cream in a car park, and everybody in the world turned up. Is this your car? Is it FN2? Look at that. This is daily driver. Right, so go to Status Error, STATUSERRORRRRRR. Look, oh, this is how you get them in the car. Oh, get in the car. That should look like a man's hand in a. Whoa.
Those are some well-used hands.
So this is, yeah, we're kind of lied.
Oh wait, you're lying?
Yeah, so I lied. So this is his merch, just his merch. So hold on. This lady here. She's not. Oh, it's a secret preview. So this bit of clothing here, yeah, because I've got a t-shirt, yeah?
Yeah,
so this bit of clothing is not even real, it doesn't exist. So, yeah, this was viewed in 1996. Conspiracy theories, tinfoil hats. So there's that absolutely. Hi Natalie, how are you? 10 a penny in Dublin, the E86. Right, let's have a look in here. Let's have a look. Can I turn the light on? Oh, there we go, look. So this is one fast tractor. This yoke, that's what we call it here in Ireland, a tractor, a yoke. This yoke's got some poke. So that is a Chevy big V8. LS of the Chevys, with all the Chevy in the LS's. How much Japan is in this little Japanese car? Excuse me, son. Look, it's got seats. It's got seats, and it's got gear stick. Oh, hold on. Shitting. It's got Dave. That's his name, isn't it? Dave. Aye. Yeah, I'll have some chocolate. Of course I'll have some chocolate. I'll have one hand free. I don't want to contaminate it. Look, what kind of chocolate is it? Well, that's a lot of chocolate. I'll take that. Is it dime?
No.
Oh, popping candy. Popping candy brought to you by Error. Status. So yeah, this car park was heaving because Johnny said he was going to just come down here and test some new screen wash that he got, and everybody turned up, which was like incredible. And inside, Hypertracks. This is where it's outside. Is an electric motocross track. Can't read them out because I'm too busy. What? This guy's name's Kieran, right? And Kieran owns this Silvia. No, it's not. It's a 200SX, isn't it? It wants to be Japanese. It was built by Dave in Sunderland, and then rebuilt by Gary in Norwich. Go and open the bonnet. The whole internet wants to see it, all 10 of them.
All 10 of them?
Yeah, but you're about 10. Did you swear?
Live on camera.
My daughter's watching this. She's 4. Sorry. She doesn't understand English, it's fine, she's Scottish. So in here we have, is that a slug?
That's a giant slug.
So a big slug.
Big feet.
And then a great big water hose. And then a tiny little air filter. How are you going to get any air in that engine, mate, through that filter?
Very efficient. American engines.
And then you've got fire hazard.
Yeah.
And then you've got fire protectors from the fire hazard.
Yeah.
And then you've painted your exhaust.
Yeah.
Then you're white.
Dulux emulsion.
Is that satin white or is that?
Gloss.
Is it?
It's faded.
You need to polish it. And they've got a tyre wrap.
Yeah.
And about 750 horsepower.
700.
Oh, yeah.
Just 700.
About 700 horsepower sucking through that tiny little air filter.
Yeah. Very
Oh no, there's another one. Oh, he's got 2. You're cheating. You out 2?
Yeah.
Does that not fail its MOT? Right, so basically Corvette engine. You don't have a Nissan badge. Where's the Nissan badge? Somebody's stolen your Nissan badge. It is a Nissan. Unbelievable. Did you have to get rid of that when you put So yeah, we've got a supercharged LS2
Yep.
and a Nissan S14,
Yep.
and it's absolutely ludicrous. And then that is cables, and then we're gonna look inside it. So, oh, it's nobody's gonna steal your tractor. So we've got a bent roll cage from a previous roll.
No, never.
You have to buy the straight roll cage.
I know. It's for show only.
You buy the straight roll cage because the bent roll cage is because some previous owner rolled it and then didn't straighten it. So we've got what's this, Nismo? Nissan Motorsport. Did they build it? So we've got a nice dash. Get the dash light up. Get a Christmas tree. Let's see the dash. Right, so. Oh, we're losing viewers here because of the Nissan.
Sorry.
They've dropped to 9. So we've got a Christmas tree in here, oil pressure, got lots of things. And then we've got a phone. Is that a Nismo phone holder? Why is Radio 2 on? You've got Radio 2.
It's my 90s iPhone.
700 horsepower Radio 2.
Gotta keep me calm.
Right, so K-Sport seats. This is a really trick motor. All joking apart, 700 horsepower monster, and like the coolest sun visors ever. I was waiting, I could draw something rude, but I drew a happy face. So yeah, basically this is one serious bit of kit. So he's going to now fire it up and then smash it instantly off the cold limiter. Because peer pressure on the internet says you should. Cold limiter, okay? Oh. Oh. And you very quickly build an audience. Oh, somebody just pooped a little bit. So yeah, basically that is Kieran's S14 LS2. People are not enjoying this, or their ears aren't anyway. One more. The cameras are here now. Come on. So we've now got a little proper audience. If you're not fast, you're last. Missed that flame. Thank you, Kieran. See, peer pressure's not dead. Not dead. Everybody thinks that peer pressure's dead.
No, it's still alive.
Get a crowd. Get a V8.
How's the fuel economy? Fuel economy?
Yeah.
Gallons per mile, I wonder.
Do you remember that? Do you remember fuel economy? So we've now got... Oh! We've now got a bad man. This is Martin's car. Martin's been on the internet and in the front of a magazine. And he's been in Japan. Anything else? Life achievements? These life achievements, are these just like this month?
I won a trophy Corolla.
What one? What did you win?
Top 5.
Top 5 what?
Shittest car.
Don't swear, my mum's watching.
The top 5 grey S14. Top 5 under 500.
Under 500. He's got 2 air filters. He's got 2 air filters, mate. I've seen them. Not one. I'll help you out here, Kieran. So behind here is Martin's car. And then this car here is Automech. If you look up Automech, M-E-K. So it's like, that's Andrew. This is Andrew. That's Andrew's car.
Yes.
Can we look inside it? Is it open?
Aye.
Does it even lock?
Aye.
Locks don't work in the 80s.
Mate, they fucking don't.
Look, don't swear, my mum's watching. Honestly. Right, so you need to put the bonnet, hit the limit immediately, stone cold. Just, oh,
We're not an island.
why are you being like that? I made Kieran Cameron do it. Right. Oh, let's look in here, Oh, yes. Right, light on, shitting. Right, so, what age is it?
84, I think.
1984, I think. Oh, the dashboard is sick! Does it do a sweep through? Does it do a sweep through?
Put it in neutral.
Right, okay, okay. It's in neutral. Ah, that is so cool. I literally feel like I'm in a film. That is amazing. So this is like, does this recline? Does this tilt? It's just slowly, how to move a seat. Slowly tilting the seat. There you go, we can go through here. So it's like proper 84 interior. I remember I had a 1984 Austin Metro and it was nothing like this. The 80s were not good to me for cars. They were very bad. Yeah, so that is gorgeous. Can we pop the engine bay? The hood? The bonnet? Can I do this one-handed? Oh, I did. I've done it one-handed. If I can't find the duffer daffer. Oh, I've got the... Oh, this is really rubbish internet TV. This is... Right, let's go. So you selling... No, I didn't do anything. Are you selling it? Are you selling it?
No,
Right,
this is my own one.
this is not for sale, so start your bidding now. So we've got... Now,
Standard.
it's a 1600 40 GE,
Yeah.
uprated suspension. We can see him poking through the top here. And we can play with his adjusters. Tweak, 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 tweak. What else have we got? What gearbox?
Stock T50.
Stock for American, standard for British.
Set
For Japanese.
Set of
I made that-
cams.
I made that up. What cams?
HKS.
Oh.
256 HKS. Manifold.
Unlike Kieran Cameron, he's not painted his. He's wrapped him in his mum's tights.
Yes.
Winter tights. So, yeah. Look, see? You pop the bonnet and look, people go crazy. I'll turn the light off so you have photos. Do you want the light on? Do you want the light on? Is that, do you want it flashing? Is that better? I'm helping. You flash, I'll flash. No, well, that's different internet. So this is Final Boss, right? Basically, Andrew is like the ultimate scene boy.
Yes.
Absolutely obsessed by cars. Let's look at... Do you see Andrew? Do you see what he looks like? Hold on.
No,
First
no,
and
you
fifth.
don't. You absolutely
Shh,
don't.
look. It's Andrew! Listen, he's got a beard down there somewhere, look.
Yep.
Down
It's
here.
hidden in the darkness.
Mine's clearly visible because the ginger glows in the dark.
I think it's ginger as well.